One man, 12 days.
Hey, to whoever may need this nugget of encouragement, things will be alright, so quit your worrying. I get it, the odds seem stacked back against the wall, but even consider it such, know you'll stand tall. Sat and watched from the sidelines one too many times. Wicked games we play make me wanna lose my mind. Found solitude knowing it'll be over soon. Ever need a boost, count on me for the 1-2. Trouble don't last when the tough get going. Baby, all we do is win, so show me my opponent. Adversity, doubt, stress, could care less, cause how we handle those like an S on our chest. Super proud of how we held it.
Good morning.
Good morning. Back with another video. This time we're giving you guys a cost breakdown on the chicken coop.
Yes.
But before we do that, guys, we have a raffle that is up right now. Tell them about the raffle, babe.
So we wanted to celebrate or be able to celebrate when we get to 100 days. So as you guys know, we literally have been uploading videos ever since day one, and we're going all the way to 100. So with the help of some sponsors, one included, we wanted to do a raffle.
We got some amazing sponsors, man. Shout out to all the sponsors that helped us put this raffle together. So let them know which ones.
All right, so we've got Epic water filters. So included, we'll have one of their bottles. Obviously, there's going to be some merch from NoRushAcres. That's a given.
Exclusive, never seen before,
Right.
Never given out before, never worn before.
And then there's also going to be a camping fan from Ogre. It is a small fan. It includes like a light, it will include details, but it looks absolutely fantastic. So they're going to send one for us, and then they're willing to give one away for free. So we've included that in the raffle.
And we're definitely going to give it a test try before, well, ours that they give us. We're going to show y'all. So
Yes, and then we have a new sponsor. It's a boot company. We're going to include some boots from them. So in the description, we've added some different options. There's actually a lot of options, so we'll include the link, so whoever wins, you get to pick out whatever style boot you want. You just let us know your size and which one you prefer, and then those get shipped to you as well. And then just because we wanted to include some even more great things, we're going to include an igloo cooler and also include a $100 gift card. So
let's go.
Tickets are $10 for one, $15 for two, and then $30 for four.
Link in the description. Cash app is in the description.
Yep.
So you can get to it, and you can, it's $10, right?
Yeah, $10 for one.
$10 for a ticket, guys.
And then you have until September 17th. So literally we're allowing you up until September 17th to be able to enter into the raffle.
Which is going to be our 100-day mark.
Yep.
So we'll probably try and go live that day.
Yeah.
If the Starlink will work good for us.
Yeah. So, and then all proceeds go to helping us expand this channel and doing more content. So
and more projects.
Yeah.
So
yeah, well, let's get into this coop build.
This fantastic chicken build that we made back here.
Essentially a shed.
The chicken palace. So I bet y'all are wondering, how much did this chicken coop cost sitting behind us?
And we're not going to make you wait till the end of the video to actually figure out the numbers.
Nah,
so we're going to start with the cost, and then we'll break it down. So overall cost for this entire coop was $1,523.
But wait. If you price out, go online. Matter of fact, let's go online right now, and let's price out an 8 by 10 shed and see how much it is for just the shed, guys. We're going to price it out for you real quick right now. Look. So look at how much money we've saved so far by building this thing on our own.
Right, and with me working full-time, plus the weather and being able to only periodically help, we did it in 12 days. So
that's it?
Yeah.
Man, that was a long 12 days.
That
I feel like it
was
was longer than that.
I know. No.
One man, 12 days.
I helped.
Help a little bit there.
Yeah.
Occasionally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we're gonna go through what was used for the base, the walls, and then the roof. And yeah, so for the base, we used 2x6s. We wanted to make sure those were pressure treated, and then use the plywood for the bottom. And we also have it on blocks to help
for the foundation.
Which apparently we used incorrectly, but it's fine. It's just a coop. These girls are loving my Crocs. It's fine. But yeah, so that was pretty simple, pretty straightforward. He actually did all of that by himself in one day. So that was good. And then for the walls, we used 2x4s and then obviously incorrect siding.
Yeah.
Which we fixed with the paint that we
was trying to be cheap at that point. So
I also liked that one more than I liked the wider
how was that?
ones.
200. That was $200 for all of those pieces.
12 panels.
For 12 panels. If we would have had did more, if we would have got the I guess the correct ones, it would have been double the price. So you would have just had to add an extra $200 onto the 1523. So.
Right. So instead, we worked with what we had after we realized that we had the wrong thing and painted it using the waterproof outdoor painting. So we'll see how it holds up.
See how long it lasts.
And then for the roof, we used 2x6s. Also wanted to make sure those were pressure treated, at least the outsides of them. We did end up getting the hurricane ties just to make it more stable. We have a pitch roof design for the actual like roof panels, I guess you call it. It's PVC, also cheaper, but also matched, which I liked as well. And then the back, we have the gutter system, so that way we can do the rain catchment. So we included all that into the pricing. We had a little bit of not help, but we already had some material. So like the hardware cloth that we used for the window.
We're in a chicken coop right now. That's why I keep looking down. So
yeah. Every time I like start talking, I get a peck at my foot. We already had the hardware cloth. We had the wire for the predator proofing. We had the staples.
Oh yeah.
We had quite a bit of the screws and nails already, like the finishing nails and all that we already had.
Yeah.
And we had the barrels for the water catchment. We did end up obtaining more tools because is it really a project if we have all of the tools? We don't know what that's like.
Yeah.
So
we're new into this too, so we don't have all the tools for everything. So
right. So we ended up getting the reciprocating saw, which was an absolute help with being able to cut out the window.
Yeah. That's definitely if you're building something like that, I would definitely say that's one of the tools you need is a reciprocating saw along with a jigsaw.
Yeah.
But we don't have a jigsaw yet. Jigsaw probably would have helped a lot too.
Yeah, I was torn between the two. Honestly, I didn't really understand the difference, but yeah. And then we ended up getting some chisels because that helped as well because we didn't have the reciprocating saw, and he got his tape measure.
Yep.
Yeah, so all in all, 12 days, $12,523, a few new tools later. So, I mean, I feel like the price wasn't bad. We definitely learned a lot. We could touch base on maybe some things we would have done different, like things that we learned. One, having the right tools, obviously, but
yeah,
we learned.
Obviously, the angles to cutting the roof, like finding the pitch. I like the way that I did it, but I wish I would have took a little bit more time studying how to cut it up and then make it a slope. I basically just cut the 2x4 piece out, and then a couple of like the header parts and maybe the a couple of the header parts I wish I maybe would have done different.
These ones are so chill.
That's Scar. That's gotta be Scar. He be chilling.
Yeah, obviously different siding if we would have got the correct siding.
Yeah, and the siding as well. The hardest part to doing the thing, I think to me, the hardest part doing this whole build was the foundation, is trying to get it level, because the way that we're at right now, our slope is like this and the coop is facing this way. So, you're trying to get, the left side up higher than the right side. And then the back and the front to be level as well. So to me, that was my first time ever doing a foundation. So yeah, babe, we're doing a video here.
I know, but they're so cute. Other than that, I think everything went pretty good. We learned new things from the viewers, like the correct way to put the blocks for the foundation. Definitely didn't know that.
Appreciate y'all for sure, because y'all be in the comments, y'all be going hard, but I be learning a lot from y'all. For real. And I know y'all probably learned a lot from us as well, so.
Right. So, yeah.
12 days. 8x10 chicken coop.
Excuse me.
Dang.
What, you want more pets?
Oh, we definitely have a chill bird.
Hello.
I think this is Scar.
She said, why did you put me down? You were rubbing me.
She likes rubs. We got a chicken that actually likes to be touched.
Okay, just don't poop on my binder.
You got anything to say for yourself? How do you like the chicken coop? Look, she's bowing down so you can touch her. So you do like the chicken coop?
She could be an inside chicken.
All right, guys. Like we say in every video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, and share with a friend. But guys, we appreciate y'all. Do not forget about the raffle. How many days we got left?
40-something.
40-something days left to get in that raffle and win you a nice little prize. So,
Hey, guess what?
well,
Chicken butt.
all right, guys. Love, peace, and happiness. We appreciate you guys, and thanks for watching today.
Hey, to whoever may need this nugget of encouragement, things will be alright, so quit your worrying. I get it, the odds seem stacked back against the wall, but even consider it such, know you'll stand tall. Sat and watch from the sidelines one too many times. Wicked games we play make me wanna lose my mind. Found solitude knowing it'll be over soon. Ever need a boost, count on me for the 1-2. Trouble don't last when the tough get going. Baby, all we do is win, so show me my opponent. Adversity, doubt, stress, could care less, cause how we handle those like an S on our chest. Super proud of how we handle